Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So to do so, TikTok doesn't currently have a built-in feature to remove all reposts in bulk. However, you can use a browser extension called TikTok All Reposted Videos Remover available on Chrome Web Store. On your computer, open Chrome Web Store, then search for TikTok All Reposted Videos Remover. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension when prompted. Now open TikTok in your browser, then sign into your account. Click the extensions icon, which is the puzzle piece at the top right of the Chrome interface, then select TikTok All Reposted Videos Remover. The extension should automatically scan for all reposted videos and click Remove All Reposts to bulk delete them at once. Just know that this tool is third-party, not officially made by TikTok. Use at your own risk. And always read reviews on the Chrome Web Store before installing and consider backing up important videos before bulk deleting. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.